In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp with Freshsales. Connecting WhatsApp to Freshsales helps your team capture conversations as CRM records, respond faster, and keep everything in one place. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to your Freshworks account and a WhatsApp business number that you're authorized to use. You'll also need the ability to sign in to Meta's business tools, since WhatsApp for Business is managed there. If your plan doesn't include the WhatsApp channel, you may need to contact your Freshworks account admin to enable it. Let's start inside your Freshworks admin. In the left navigation, open Channels, then select WhatsApp. Depending on your setup, you might see this in FreshChat or Freshdesk admin. That's normal. Freshsales uses FreshChat for messaging, so either path will take you to the same WhatsApp setup area. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace if you manage multiple Freshworks products. On the WhatsApp setup page, click Connect Number. The system will redirect you to Meta, where you'll sign in and allow the necessary permissions. This redirection is secure and required so that WhatsApp messages can flow between your number and Freshworks. If you're using a work device, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, and keep this tab open while the Meta window loads. Once you're in Meta's flow, sign in and confirm access to the business that owns the WhatsApp number. You may be prompted to review permissions so Freshworks can read and send messages on your behalf. Grant these permissions. They are essential for syncing conversations. You'll then confirm the WhatsApp business number you want to connect. Double-check that you're selecting the correct number that your customers already use. If you see multiple business assets, choose the one that corresponds to your organization's WhatsApp account. After you allow permissions and confirm the number, Meta will send you back to the Freshworks WhatsApp page. You should now see your number listed as connected. From this point on, incoming WhatsApp messages will route into FreshChat, making them available inside Freshsales, so your team can track conversations, create or update contacts, and respond from a unified workspace. If you don't see the connected status right away, refresh the page, verify you completed the MetaFlow, and ensure your role has admin rights. Also, make sure the number isn't already connected to another workspace. That's it. You've connected WhatsApp to Freshsales through the Freshworks admin, enabling a reliable, trackable WhatsApp channel for your sales and support teams.